Hey everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and on this channel, Teach, Pray, Slay, it's all about teaching, praying, and slaying our beauty, lifestyle, and goals together. This video is about lifestyle and slaying our lifestyle when it comes to our home. So stay tuned to see my results of my fall decor, my scents, my accents, and everything in between. If I sound out of breath, it's because I just got done decluttering. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see my fall decor, stay tuned. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. Alright, so you made it to this fall video. Alright, so you made it to my video all about my fall decor. If you just seen the declutter video, this is the results of what I have done. So you get to see the overall results. If you see something you like, make sure to comment down below and I'll let you know where I got it from. Also, if you have any suggestions for other content, you can leave that down below also. Let's have some authentic dialogue. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and see my fall decor. Let's go. Beginning of my apartment. I am only going to be showing my living room and my kitchen fall decor. So I just want to let y'all know I made it cute and simple. Definitely cute and simple. So I redecorated my shelves, and this is the same. It says trust the Lord, and then on this shelf, this is brand new, it says faith. This was included in my haul. Make sure you go check that out. I love this pumpkin, y'all. I am obsessed with this pumpkin. I got this pumpkin from At Home. It is so cute, and it just brings a pop of color to my living room. Even though it's not much color, there is some color. Then I still have my books, and my book says live more, worry less, and be happy. And down here I have a sand time, is it time capsule? I'm not sure. And my pumpkin and candle holder, and I just have some mini plants down there that I got from IKEA, and I got that little pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, and I got the time capsule from Home Goods. All right, so I got my candles flowing. Of course, my sandalwood myrrh. I always get those from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. My blessed sign is, that's old, so up to you. I'm not sure. Oh, I got that from TJ Maxx. And of course, my sandalwood myrrh candle again, because that is just all season. That scent is all season. Up here I have two pumpkins. One says hello fall, and I got that one from Hobby Lobby. I got this one from Hobby Lobby as well. Then I got this sign, it says love, and I actually got this for my birthday. Shout out to Raquel. She got it for my birthday for me, and it looks like the love sign from Philadelphia. If you don't know, I have a lot of family, well, majority of all my family lives in Philly, so Philly is home for me also. I got this little statue, little book statue that says, hey there, pumpkin pie, and on the top of it, it says blessings. I so love that, and I got that from Hobby Lobby. I got a huge pumpkin, and I got this pumpkin from Home Goods. It was a lot there, but I love them. They had an orange one and a gray one, and of course I chose a gray one because it goes with my theme. And of course my nursing hat. Alright, so I didn't decorate my couch yet. I did not decorate my couch yet, but it is going to happen. I got my cotton plant just to remind me of where my ancestors have been. So yeah, it's just a reminder of where my ancestors have been and where I have to go. So yeah. All right. I have not hung up my mirror yet. No one yell at me. I got some new centerpieces for my table, which I love. This is a tin with a bouquet of a floral, fall floral arrangement. And then I have my coasters. And back here, that is all my teaching stuff. So yeah, it's everything I use to teach. Now let's go on over here to the kitchen. So in the kitchen, originally I was gonna get like cotton to go up here because it says give thanks with a grateful heart. However, all the cotton that I found unfortunately was like torn. All the plants that I have found is torn and shattered. So yeah, I guess everybody was like going for the same theme as me this year. So I just got another floral bouquet that matches the one in the dining room. And then of course I got my Bath and Body Works leaves. If y'all don't know about this scent, it sells out every year. So if you don't have it, go and get it now. All right. So I decided to redecorate my coffee area. So I bought a mug hanger, which I am absolutely positively in love with. And of course I got Brooklyn's treat jar that's old. I got a little sign that says bless, and I love this little sign because it was like $5 and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was like so cute and I picked it up so quick. And then I got this pumpkin from Hobby Lobby also, just to throw in my harvesting theme. If you don't know, my theme for fall is harvesting. If I sound out of breath, it's because I just got done cleaning up. And if you did not watch the last video, I just did a declutter with me. And yeah, I'm like so out of breath. All right, so let's come over here. I just want to show you my goodies. I got the pumpkin cake soap. Y'all, this smells so good. I'm waiting for it to come into focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, it's not gonna come into focus, but pumpkin cupcake soap, it smells so delicious. Of course, my Germex. And who cannot live with Dawn, especially the apple scent. I cannot live without that. I like the blue kind also, but I love Dawn, the apple scent, especially in the fall. So I decided to put my knives on this side and with my paper towels. And I bought a serving board. However, I love it. It's so cute. It says Simply Blessed. However, the problem is I don't know where to put it. I don't know. Maybe I should hang it up like right here or something. I don't know, but it's so cute. So I got to find a place for that. And my favorite sign that everyone has seen, be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46:1. I cannot put that up. So I really am thinking about getting like a cotton plant to put back there, just to show that God is good and we have come a long way. I don't know. Cotton is my theme this year. And I got this little farmhouse tent. It says Country Living Farmhouse Home Sweet Home. I got this from At Home. It's so cute. I really thought that was cute. So yeah. Now over to my desk area. So I got my sign that says Love Key, and Raquel, shout out to Raquel, she bought me this also, and my printer, of course, that I need for school. And over in this area I have my pumpkin. I got this pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. I got my sage, and I got my sign that says We Gather Together, and my sandalwood myrrh candle. So yeah, I feel like I'm falled out just a little. Just a little. I am not the type that like to put like pine cones around anything because I'm very neat. So just like the little things from here is just gonna drive me insane. So putting pines and all that stuff here is gonna drive me crazy. So I am very minimal. Yeah, so as long as it smells like fall in here and it looks like fall, I guess that's what it's gonna be. I am very, very simplistic. Brooklyn didn't get nothing new for fall. She's sad. Oh well. But yeah, so that is it, everyone. That is it. All right, so you made it to the end of this video. I want to thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And as always, all of my videos are done with love. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now, whatever you do in life, make sure you are teaching, praying, and slaying. Love you all. God bless. Bye.